Hello friends, welcome to your channel Healthy Horizon. If your knee ache or your old injury keep flaring up, listen closely because the food of your plate might be fueling your arthritis. And I am not just talking about osteoarthritis, but also gout and rheumatoid arthritis. You see, when joint pain strike, it's not only about wear and tear inside your cell. There's a teeny factory called the endoplasmic reticulum. When it's under stress, it sparks inflammation long before your mitochondria even get damaged. That means what you ate directly affect how your joint feel. Here are the top 7 food that make arthritis worse. First one is emulsifier. In processed dressing and frozen dessert, they wreck your gut microbe. Second, soy protein isolate. They block the bile production, leaving joint unprotected. Third one is refined seed oil. Heated and reheated, they release toxin, aldehydes that inflame joint. Fourth one is alcohol, especially beer. It boosts uric acid, triggering gout. Fifth one is casein A1 protein found in conventional milk and cheese. It sparks inflammation. Sixth is modern wheat with gluten, glyphosate, and lectins. It destroys gut lining and fuel joint pain. Seventh is high fructose corn syrup, a sugar bomb for your liver that trigger systemic inflammation. Now the good news, the right food can heal your joint. Eat fermented food like Socrates and kefir to restore gut microbes. Add healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, and wild salmon for vitamin D3 and omega 3s. Get vitamin K2 from grass-fed butter and cheese to stop calcium buildup in your joint. And don't forget sulfur-rich veggies like garlic and onion for cartilage repair. Friends, swap those 7 joint-killing food for this healing option, and you all reduce inflammation, protect your cartilage, and feel stronger in every step. Your joints aren't dormant. Your diet can rebuild them. Now, which one of these food surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments and hit subscribe for more science-backed tips to keep your joint and your manhood strong. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.